So today we're dropping the oil in this 2010 4runner. So you guys can see I already disassembled the skid plate. I removed them. Now we're about to drop the oil filter. I'm gonna see if I'm able to use this though. So yeah, see what happens. So I was able to crack this little bitch loose. So you guys can see spinning. It was a pain the last time I did it, but she's very cooperative. There she goes. Now just have to poke it. The phone is getting, yeah. Just have to press that thing so you can drain the oil filter. Now it's time for the oil filter to come out. Gotta crack these loose. Already did. Oh, it's about to fall down. Just want to make sure that you got this in place. Again, thank you so much, Rigid, for letting me be your ambassador in Canada. Oops, I'll just drop it here because I don't want to create a mess. Maybe down there. There she goes. Just leave that for now. Now it's time for the drain bolt. Now I already cracked this loose. I'm just gonna remove this thing here. Okay. Just like that, you got your oil drop. I'm doing this video just by my reference. It's not for the views and to have a record of my maintenance. So before we put this back, we have to remove this rubber o-ring and replace it with the supply one that comes in your OEM engine oil filter. I got this from a Toyota dealership as well as the one in the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Maybe I'll place you down here. That goes there. Let's put this here for now. And this is the two O-ring that I'm talking about. Now one goes here. Actually, let's put you down there. Okay, this is good because it has a little bit of grease on it. Now the bigger part goes right here in the middle. And then this one goes here. Just like that. Now you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you want to make sure that, so here it is. Make sure that you put a little bit of oil on it. That's the oil. Should be good enough. Just put it here. Just a little bit, just to lube it up. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this down pretty quick. That should be enough afterwards. Okay, now that I cleaned this guy here, just gonna place it here. Just hand tight it. Make sure it's nice and snug. Don't ever torque it so hard. Now I'm using 0W20 according to the manual, and we need about, how many liter? There it is. 6.2 liters of engine oil with filter. Okay, so what I'll do is, it's your manual, hey? It's your manual for Toyota 4runner. What I'll do is, I'll open this guy right here. Again, this video is not sponsored by Valvoline. Just like to use this because this is the one that is on sale on Walmart. Now that's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but technically I'm gonna pour a little bit on here. This is 5 liter, and I'll just measure the rest later on. Maybe I'll let you watch and see. That's the oil. Now we're gonna put this engine oil filter in here. There we go. Now everything is tight down there. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this whole 5 liter and get 1.2 liter on my little picture. Okay, so I'll let you sit here first. There. And this is my Valvoline. This is not sponsored video, but I like to use them because they're the cheapest one in Walmart. And they're fully synthetic as well, so I've used Mobile one and Valvoline and Castrol. They're all the same. As long as you change your oil every 5,000 kilometers, you won't have any issue. It's just hard to do this with one hand, so bear with me. There you have it. You have the 5 liter down there. Now, according to the manual, it says 6.2, so I'll go ahead and use this little measuring bottle that I have. So only on this line though. So again, let's open another volume first. Sealed. Should do it. Put it down here. So here it is, 1 liter and 1.2 liter. Again, just to double check, let's go ahead and read the manual. Pretty sure it's 6.2 liter. That's what it says. Yep, with filter 6.2. 6.2 liter. Okay. I have my 1.2 here. So we're gonna go ahead and dump this thing again. Okay, we'll fire it up and show you our kilometers. Runs good. Our kilometers is 2937 when we change our oil. And we're gonna count again for another 5,000 kilometers. And I also did change my spark plugs. If you guys don't know, okay, that should be good enough. Change my spark plugs here. It's the old one, just to show you that I did it. I'm gonna explain in the next video why I did not show you the whole process. That's my old plugs. I changed the whole 6. This one doesn't look bad though.